So have you ever heard this before? Collect reference, and then collect some more reference. Block out your characters. Focus on the primary forms. And you can't move on until you nail those down. So as artists and sculptors, we hear this all the time. Now, it's all good advice. In fact, I give this advice almost every single day, but sometimes you've got to break the rules. So today we're gonna think outside the box a little bit and just pretty much just scribble inside of Zbrush. And as we're scribbling, we're just gonna see more and more things start to just come together, and then we'll create something. No reference, no block out, just creativity. Okay, so we're gonna use an unexpected brush. We're gonna use cloth twister. Now, by default, this is what happens. It does some interesting things, got some cool like fabric-like properties. It's a really neat brush, but we're not making anything with fabric. So not only are we gonna use this very interesting brush that half of you probably have never even used in your life, we're gonna think outside the box. Feel free, poke around, change some things. We're gonna change this to spray. So let's get a large draw size, and now you can see, okay, I'm just barely pressing on this sphere. If I press very hard, you know, it's gonna do this stutter thing. But I can move this around gently and just start to maybe see something forming. Like right there, that to me looks like the Grinch, right? He's got that really curled smile, kind of like a Grinch shaped head. It would need a lot of work, but it's kind of like looking at clouds, right? You're on a warm summer day laying in the grassy fields, and you look up and the wind's blowing the clouds slowly through the sky, and your brain just kind of fills in the gaps of what we know, what we've seen before, and that's kind of what this brush could really do. So currently we've got Sculpt Pro off. So if you keep Sculpt Pro off and just kind of wiggle this around, we got some interesting shapes here. And we can also turn Sculpt Pro on, and it'll give you entirely different results. Honestly, a little bit more organic in my opinion, less cloth-like. So let's see what we can find in this clay. It's hidden, it's in there somewhere, just waiting. Don't forget to hold Alt, because it'll just kind of rotate the other way. Ooh, I like that kind of nose there. That was a very interesting shape. Almost like a pig. That's cool. Okay, let's run with that. So now that I can see something in here, I could come in here, start destroying this. I don't really care for all that down there. But I do like this kind of giant nose that's right here. And then kind of on the side of the head, more like a cow. Put an eye right here. And we can start our sculpting journey. Okay, so is this a great sculpt? No, but it's a fun little exercise to get your creative juices flowing. And who knows, you could take this, you could refine this, you could find something amazing that you just never would have even thought about. And it can be a fun little sketching, scribbling exercise. So I'm gonna show you just a couple different quick time lapses that I've done with this. It's a lot of fun, like 10 minutes, just sculpt, scribble, find something in the clay. And it's super rewarding. You don't have to follow all the steps of dynameshing, of remeshing, of whatever. Make sure everything's good and posed properly and everything's amazing. It's just super fun. Even if it doesn't look super great like mine, that's okay. No, I mean, even if it looks like not your best sculpt ever, like this. Whatever's on the screen right now, it's not my best sculpt ever, but it's super fun. Reference would definitely improve this. But have fun with it.